Hi guys, this video is just unboxing video of the keyboard by Logitech. I don't know, I just think this is very relevant now because of online classes and work. Now this is the Slim Combo MK470, so it does include a wireless mouse, which I will be showing later. I want to give a special shout out to my sister who was my hand model in the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to post weekly now. I have pretty exciting videos coming up. Yay! Okay, let's go. This was bought from Shopee, which costs 2,486 pesos. This keyboard has a strong battery and is said to last for 36 months without charging, while the mouse can last up to 18 months. That's a pretty long battery life. It's always such a hassle to charge the keyboard or mouse while you're working, so this will really save time and electricity. Also, the only thing that needs to be plugged in is the mouse, so that will save the USB slots in the laptop, as opposed to having two slots used because of the keyboard and the mouse. My laptop only has two slots though, so this wireless combo is especially useful. As seen in the video, the keyboard may be opened to reveal the batteries. And it even has a slot inside the keyboard to fit the thing that you use to plug the mouse in. I am going to compare the clicky sounds of this keyboard with the laptop keyboard and the cheap keyboard I got from Shopee, plus the deepness of the clicks, which makes it harder or easier to type with, in my opinion. Just some final thoughts. The cheap keyboard from Shopee has the loudest click sound, but it really is the hardest to press out of all of them. The keyboard from the laptop has the most quiet click sound, and in comparison, the Logitech keyboard is fairly louder. Plus, it's good quality, and I think that's something that will help improve the mood while working is good gadgets. So investing in something like this will really elevate the whole experience. Wow! Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye!